This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss writing data into file in file handling topic in GWBasic programming language. So let's start. Writing to a file is that has been previously opened in output mode is accomplished using the write hash statement. This statement can be used to write the data into the data files. Write hash statement can be used to write the data into the data file. While using write hash statement, you must first indicate the buffer number of the file being written to. Syntax is write hash number, comma, variable list separated by comma. An example is on line 10, CL statement is used. Line 20, write hash 1, roll, name dollar. Line 30, write hash 1, class. Now we'll write a program, and the program is like, we will also execute in the editor of GWBasic to see the output of the same program. Okay, on line 10, open O1, comma, drive name E backslash stud.dat. Line 20, or we can use a different drive like D. Line 20, input, please enter your roll number. Variable which will be used is roll. Line 30, input statement will be used. Please enter your name. You can use a semicolon, colon, comma. Both will be can be used with it. The variable uses name dollar. And number 40, again input statement is used. Please enter total marks. Marks variable name will be used. Line number 50, right hash 1, comma roll, comma name dollar, comma marks. Line number 60, input. Do you want to continue? Double quotes close. Y and N will be written like as an option. Y for yes, no, N for no. Comma ch dollar. Line number 70. If ch dollar equal to Y or ch dollar equal to small y, then go to 20. Line number 80, close hash 1. We discussed in the previous topic the close must be used in order to close the current file in which the data is being written. I'm going to type the same program in the IDE, in the editor of GW Basics. So let's type the same program, viewers. Okay, on line 10 we will type open O, comma 1, comma D, colon, backslash, stud is the name of the file, DAT is the extension. Use will be open as a data file. On line number 20 we'll type input. Please enter your roll number, roll. Line number 30, input. Please enter your name. Name dollar will be used. Line number 40, input. Please enter total marks, colon, double quotes close, colon, marks. Line number 50, input. Right hash 1, comma roll, comma name dollar, comma marks. Line number 60, input. Do you want to continue? Double quotes close, comma ch dollar. Line number 70, if ch dollar equal to Y or ch dollar equal to small y, then go to 20. Line number 80, close hash 1. Now we'll press the F2 key.